Hi babes, so today I'm going to be showing you how I apply my false eyelashes using the new I Am Conchita eyeliner glue with this amazing tool called the Lash-App. So grab your tools, measure out your eyelashes, and let's get started. I'm going to be taking the eyeliner glue and I'm going to apply my wing eyeliner as normal. This eyeliner has a glue form technology which will allow the lash band to stick on automatically. Grab your lashes, apply it to the Lash-App, and directly onto the eye, and it will automatically stick on. Make sure you guys are clamping your lashes to ensure you're getting the most natural looking eyelashes. As you can see, I'm completely shocked by this. Now let's get started on the next eye. This tool from I Am Conchita is so amazing and makes applying lashes so much easier. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. As you can see, I was so happy with my results, and I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. Bye!